This video shows you how to navigate and use all of the safety tools, features, and reports in Transport Pro. All of the safety information lives on the driver, tractor, and trailer records in Transport Pro. This includes information you enter, as well as any documentation you have uploaded against a driver or equipment profile. All driver and equipment profiles are found under the Drivers and Equipment tab in Transport Pro. You can think of this as the Safety tab. Here, you'll see how to add and search for drivers, tractors, and trailers. Let's start by taking a look at the driver information screen. Here is what it looks like to add or edit a driver profile. You can see several fields on here pertaining to safety, such as CDL expiration, physical due date, review date, and more. Note, only drivers with an active status can be dispatched. So if a driver quits or gets fired, someone in safety will want to come in here and update the status so that they're not available for dispatch. Note, these safety items will drive advanced and past due notifications at the time of dispatch. So you'll be able to see, for example, when a driver's CDL is about to expire. And the more information you have here, the better. You can, of course, come in and add or edit information at any time. Once you've added a driver to the system, or when you're done editing a profile, you'll land on this driver summary screen. From this page, there are a few other safety sections where you can add things like driver training and certifications, add notes, violations, and upload driver qualification files. Scroll down a bit and you'll see these sections. Note, you can upload and manage all of your documents in Transport Pro. So for example, you probably want to upload copies of CDLs, applications, drug tests, etc. You can easily add, edit, or delete any certifications, violations, or files at any time here. Now, let's take a look at the tractor records. Very similar to the driver profile, the tractor profile allows you to enter important safety information and dates, as well as upload any documentation that you would like to keep on file. So here's what the tractor information screen looks like. You can see here that there are several fields pertaining to safety, such as tag expiration, last and next service dates, etc. Just like the driver profile, the tractor must be in an active status in order to dispatch it. So if the truck breaks down and ends up in the shop, or there's some other safety issue with it and it's on hold, a user can come in here and change the status and it won't be available for dispatch. Again, these safety items will drive advanced and past due notifications at the time of dispatch. So you'll be able to see, for example, when the next inspection is coming up due. And again, the more information you have here, the better, the more you can track, and you can add or edit information here at any time. So once you've finished adding or editing a tractor profile, you'll land here on this tractor summary screen. From this screen, there are some safety sections where you can add and manage tractor permits and certifications, as well as upload any documentation that you wish to keep on file for the piece of equipment. If you scroll down a bit on this screen, you'll see all these sections. Recall, you can upload and manage all of your documents in Transport Pro. So for example, you may wish to upload a bill of sale or an inspection report and keep that on file with the truck. You can easily do that and add or edit information here at any time. Now let's take a look at the trailer records. Just like the driver and tractor profiles, there is a place to manage safety information for your trailers and keep any documentation on file. So here's what the trailer information screen looks like. And you can see that there are several fields pertaining to safety, such as tag expiration, last and next service dates, etc. And again, Just like the driver and tractor profiles, the trailer profile must be in an active status in order to dispatch it. So if the trailer is inactive for any reason or put on a safety hold, then it will not be available for dispatch. Also, just like the driver and tractor profiles, the safety items here will drive advanced and past due notifications at the time of dispatch. So at the time of dispatching this trailer, you'll be able to see, for example, when the next inspection is coming up due. Again, the more information you have, the better, and the more you can track. Again, you can edit or add information here at any time. So once you've added or finished editing a trailer profile, you're going to land on the trailer summary screen. Very similar to before, from this screen, there are other safety sections. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that. And here you can add and manage trailer permits and certifications, as well as upload any documentation that you wish to keep on file for the piece of equipment. And again, you can come in here and add or edit information at any time. Now we're going to take a look at a few different safety reports we have to help you visualize the safety health of your business and to help you catch things before they expire. Let's start with the Safety Summary Report. This report is found under Reports, Operational Reports, Safety Summary. Here you can see what the report looks like. You can use any of the desired filters, or you can just click search to see all the safety items for all the drivers and equipment. And you can see that this report shows you driver, tractor, trailer IDs, along with the expiration dates for CDLs, tags, inspections, etc. I do want to note here what the values and the colors mean on here. So if you're looking at this report and you see a value that says not set, that just means that no information has been entered on that profile for that item. And if it's something you wish to monitor, then go over to that profile and get a date entered there, get a value entered. Now, if you see a date that shows up in red, that indicates that the item is past due. And if it's data in orange, that indicates that the item is coming up due. The next report we'll look at here is the Driver Certification and Training Report. This report is found under Reports, Operational Reports, Driver Training and Certification Report. So here's what the report looks like. And recall, there's a section on that driver summary profile where you can record driver training and certifications. And so if you've entered any information in that section on the driver profile, it will feed this report. This way you can run the data in a report format and say, for example, show me all of the drivers in the system who have a ProTread certification. The last report I'd like to review with you is the Driver Violations Report. This report is found under Reports, Operational Reports, Driver Violations. So here's what the report looks like. And just like the Driver Training and Certifications report, you'll recall that there is a violations section on the driver profile, and if you've entered any information there, it will feed this report so that you can come here and run the data in a report format. And say, for example, show me all of the drivers in the system who have a speeding violation. And that covers the safety features and reports in Transport Pro. If you have any questions or need assistance with something, please contact our support team at support@transportpro.net. Thanks for watching this video.